Welcome to this in-depth review of LookHUMAN, a platform known for its vast collection of unique, customizable products, perfect for anyone interested in starting or expanding a dropshipping business. LookHUMAN offers a wide range of apparel and accessories with quirky, artistic designs that can be customized to fit your niche. Whether you're looking for t-shirts, mugs, or other accessories, LookHUMAN provides a simple and intuitive interface to get started. You can easily select designs or upload your own to create a truly unique product line for your store. The website's user experience is easy to navigate, making it suitable for both experienced dropshippers and beginners. Orders are printed on demand, so there's no need for inventory management or upfront investment in bulk products. It's an excellent option for those looking to quickly launch an online store with minimal overhead. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. The platform's pricing structure is competitive, and you can set your own prices for the products you sell. LookHUMAN handles production and shipping, so you can focus on marketing and growing your business. Now, you can truly personalize your store and offer products that your customers will love. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you found this review helpful.